Good afternoon, students. Welcome back. We are going to study English language. We are going to deal with English language in today's video. Now, the topic that we are going to study today is the different parts of speech. English language is totally dependent upon these 8 parts of speech. What is their use? Why do people use? We'll come to know in this video. Now, let's understand what is parts of speech. What is a speech? Speech is whatever we speak, whatever we write, whatever we say is a speech, whether it's direct, indirect, active, passive, whatever it is. They all are known as speech. Okay? Now, in the speech, we make use of different words. And each and every word has a different meaning, has a different purpose in a sentence. Now, altogether, when these words are written in a proper way, that conveys a meaning. Okay, that conveys the exact meaning. If a meaning is not being conveyed from a sentence or a speech, that means English is not written in a proper form. Okay? So the important thing about the parts of speech is that they should be arranged well, they should be known whosoever is speaking or writing the speech. Okay, speaking or writing. Okay, we generally write or say. Okay, so it should be present in correct form. Now, what are those different words? What are those different 8 parts of speech? We have noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, interjection, preposition. All together we have 8 parts of speech. They all have a different function in a sentence and they all together are known as parts of speech. They form a sentence, they form a speech. Okay? Now today in this video we are going to deal with the nouns. What are the different kinds of nouns? What are the different types of nouns? Now, kinds refers to what all kinds of nouns are there, and nouns are divided into different types as well. So, today we are going to study the different kinds. We'll discuss a little bit about the different types, and in the next video, we'll come to know what are the different types also. Okay? Now over here we have the different kinds of nouns. Now we are going to discuss it one by one. The first one is proper noun, second one is common, third is collective, fourth is abstract noun, and the fifth one, the last one is concrete noun. The first one, proper noun. The word itself says proper. A proper name given to a particular person, place, animal or a thing. Okay? Now, proper name we generally use for a person, for a place. If you have a pet at your home, or suppose even if you name a pet, if you give a name to a roadside animal, to a stray dogs, to an elephant, to a tiger, that also becomes a proper noun. But what is proper noun? It's a proper name given to a particular person, place, animal or a thing. Suppose the shirt I am wearing, it is also a thing. But if I name this shirt, it becomes a proper noun. Okay? So proper noun always stands for a particular name given to a place, person, animal or a thing. That's first thing. The second thing that you have to know is that proper noun should always start with capital letter. Okay? Whenever we write name of a person, country, continent, okay, it should always start with capital letter. Okay? Suppose you write Australia. Australia, A will be capital. India, I should be capital. Elvis, my name is Elvis, so my name will have E as capital. Okay, and you have generally seen, you might be aware about it that we have to use capital letters with the names. Okay, with the proper nouns. Now let's talk about the common noun. What is a common noun? Common noun is a noun which is used in general, meaning they don't have a name and they are written with small letters. Example: friends, flowers, animals, dogs, cats. They all are used in general. They don't have a name. That is why they are common noun. Common for everyone, general for everyone. Dogs. The moment you name a dog, the moment you name the cat, that particular name becomes a proper noun. This is the difference between a proper noun and a common noun. First difference is that proper noun always has a name, whereas common noun is always used as a general word. Suppose I am naming a dog. Dog name is Rocky. Rocky is the dog's name. But what is dog? Dog is a common name. Rocky becomes proper name. Proper noun, common noun. Next is collective noun. What is collective noun? Collective noun always tells us about collection of something, a group of something. That particular word, that one word which tells us about collection of something, a group of something, that is known as collective noun. Example: a pride of lions, parliament of owls, parliament of owls, crowd of people, collection of people will be called as crowd, fleet of ships, army of soldiers. They are collective noun. A word which tells you about a group of something, a collection of something, a bouquet of flowers, okay, a bunch of bananas. Next one is abstract noun. Abstract noun tells you more about humans' emotion, feelings, happiness, sadness, crying, laughing. They all are related to human emotions. So these words which tells us about humans' emotions and feelings are known as abstract nouns. The last one is concrete noun. What is a concrete noun? Concrete nouns have a material form. They have a material form. Now what is material form? Things which can be experienced by our five senses, which can be experienced through our five senses. Now what are these five senses? The power to hear, the power to see, the power to smell, the power to taste. They all are our five senses. So any of the senses, if it's included in identifying a particular thing, it will be known as a concrete noun. Book. Book can be touched and can be identified that it's a book. Sugar. Sugar can be tasted and we can say that it is sugar. Water. Water can be seen and we can say that it is water. We can also touch water and say that it is water itself. Oil. Oil can be smelt. Oil can be felt. Okay? So wherever the five senses are included, wherever the five senses are used, we can classify it as concrete noun. Okay? So all together in today's video we have discussed these five types of nouns. Okay? The homework will be given to you on your WhatsApp. Kindly do your work, go through the video, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in tomorrow's class. Thank you.